Good morning, this is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing this July 16th, 2018. As highlights, I'll talk a little bit about the heat stress that remains a concern today, especially in the west, and then area-wide toward the end of the week. Greater rain chances are expected early this week, but this will be followed by hotter temperatures and lower rain chances for the end of the week. I'll give a brief tropics update and drought conditions. For today, we still have a warm and humid air mass across the region. There will be an approaching cold front that will drop into the region. This will help increase rain chances today. But we're still looking for temperatures to reach the low to mid 90s combined with the high humidity to place heat stress as a concern again today. Today, the best rain chances will be in eastern Mississippi and northern Mississippi, with the lowest rain chances expected across our western portions of our county warning area. Again, this will lead to elevated heat stress concerns across much of the area today, with limited threat across eastern Mississippi. This particular graphic is being updated as I speak, as local radars already show showers and thunderstorms developing over eastern Mississippi that'll actually limit the heat stress concerns for today. For tonight, the convection that breaks out during the afternoon will show a diurnal trend. With the loss of daytime heating, it will begin to decrease. However, with the approaching cold front and outflow interactions, we're expecting some of the convection to linger a little bit longer through the evening than it has the last several nights. The temperatures, however, will remain in the mid to upper 70s across much of the area. The normal lows for this time of year run in the lower 70s. As we move into Tuesday, we're expecting the front to drop into our county warning area. This will maintain rain chances into Tuesday, and the associated cloud cover and rainfall will limit the heat. So heat stress is not expected to be much of a concern Tuesday. The greatest rain chances will continue to be across the eastern half of our county warning area. And as you can see from this graphic, the afternoon highs will be held in the lower 90s due to the rain and associated cloud cover. Our normal highs for this time of year run in the lower 90s. The cold front that will drop into the region in our area on Tuesday will stall across the area on Wednesday and then gradually lift north of our county warning area on Thursday. This stalled cold front will remain the focus for convection through Wednesday and into Thursday before lifting north. This will help maintain cloud cover and rain chances across the area and limit any concerns for heat stress during this period. But as we approach the weekend, another cold front will approach our region. Moisture is expected to increase and pool ahead of this approaching cold front. But this cold front is expected to stall north of Mississippi and not make it into our county warning area. We're expecting high pressure surface and aloft to remain dominant. This will lead to a warming trend Friday through Sunday with limited rain chances, and this will result in a concern again for heat stress going into the weekend. This graphic highlights a limited threat as temperatures move into the upper 90s to near 100, especially across the western portions of our county warning area. Combined with high humidity, heat indices of 105 or greater will be likely. Expect as we get closer to the weekend, portions of the area to be back under elevated threat, with heat advisories likely for much of the area. When it's all said and done, we're expecting a decent amount of rainfall, especially across the eastern portions of our county warning area. This graphic is a 7-day outlook for precipitation amounts. However, most of the precipitation during this week will fall on the first 3 days, Monday through Wednesday of this week, with very little rainfall expected for the second half of the week. This graphic is our weekly forecast outlook centered around the Jackson area and typically shows our expected increased rainfall chances for the first half of the week with lower daytime highs. As we get into the second half of the week, we're looking for lower rain chances with warmer daytime highs. Notice also that morning lows will remain above normal through the week. Currently, we're not expecting any new tropical cyclone development during the next 5 days. And as far as the drought conditions go across our county warning area, the moderate drought depicted in this graphic across our Louisiana parishes and southwest Mississippi counties may not change that much because that's the area that's expecting the least amount of rainfall through the next week. It looks like maybe some of the abnormally dry conditions across northeast Mississippi and central Mississippi may see some brief impact, especially if we realize the amount of rain, the several inches that we're expecting to occur today through Wednesday. This concludes this week's multimedia weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing.